Okay, I'm going to show you guys this new Dewalt Stealthsonic shop vac, picking up St. Bernard, Shar-Pei, and Pit Bull fur. It's kind of hard to show up, it's dark, but their fur is everywhere and it clogs most vacuums. So I've decided to get a 12-gallon shop vac to solve that problem. And I really like this unit because it's very quiet. It's actually the main reason I got it. Plus it's very ergonomic with this carrying handle and just the way the pieces fit together. It's well thought out. So let's find some dog hair. Yeah, there's dog hair here. Here it's just like in all the crevices. Let's see. If you don't vacuum every day, you get just piles of dog fur. All three dogs. And they've also gotten into these curtain rods. So this stuff was put away, but my dogs were very upset when I left them. When I left them for a day. Okay. So you can hear just how quiet the shop vac is and how well it picks up dog fur. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to look for some more dog fur. Very easy to just pull with one hand. It's got good quality wheels and they're spaced pretty far apart so it's stable and does not easily tip over. And the handle allows you to pull it safely without risking the hose coming off, which is a big pain in the butt on some other brands. Sorry, my dogs have gotten into things. I've just been too worn out to pick it up, but I did buy this shop vac today, so I wanted to try it out. You can see there's some mess on these rugs, and surely there's dog fur in here. They've also strewn these about. They did used to be in one pile. So, let's bring this over. So I only have one hand as I'm recording this. Oh, I better get it off of it. That causes a problem. There's little dog hairs all over this floor, and there's muddy paws everywhere. Let's see. You can see how much mess the dogs make in one day. I constantly have to clean. Give up, please. I really like how it picks up between the crevices on these rugs. This is normally very difficult to pick up with vacuums, and without even any special attachment that would make this stronger. Just using the standard hose, it picks up a lot of the stuff that's hard to get with most vacuums. There's a dog right there. He sheds a lot. And he shed it all over this dog bed here. I think there's a special tool just for this. Haven't tried any of these attachments yet. Look at that. Should make short work. You see the dogs have also messed up the couch. They're a lot of fun, but they're very naughty. So it's easy to pop this on with just one hand. Well, let's see how well it gets this dog hair on the furniture. Okay, so this is hard to show up on the camera, but this is amazing. This is like a microfiber dog bed, and Miles, my Shar-Pei, sheds these really fine, tiny hairs on everything, and they cover this dog bed, and hardly any vacuums will remove them, and if they do, it takes a long time. I put this attachment on here, and it quickly sucked up every bit of dog fur. Yeah, one pass over this dog bed, and it looks like all the dog fur is gone. This is just stains, like from their slobber and mud. But dog fur is gone with one pass. That is amazing. So guys, if you have Shar-Peis, if you have St. Bernards, I might suggest that you go this route, because their fur will destroy most vacuums. And vacuums do seem to be a lot less powerful now than they used to be. It's probably because of the EPA regulations, where they can't use enough energy to actually be effective. But I've got a couch to vacuum out here next before I put it back together. But basically there's dog fur on everything, and you have to vacuum every day. And even if the vacuums don't break, they clog so quickly that I need a 12-gallon capacity for all of this dog fur. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.